Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Chris right here. It's been a few days since I last vlogged. I've been really busy, not really much to vlog. But today we're going on an adventure. We're going to Chamarel. We're going to quite a few other places on the actual highway. So yeah, look out for some footage there. Wedding went really well. You'll see a few videos from there. I have been snapping on my spectacles, so I will have some footage from the last few days from there. So I'm excited. Gonna have some amazing footage. Gonna have some different type of editing. I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but it is gonna work. So let's see. But yeah, let's have a great day, and I hope you're having a good day. Beautiful out here. We've got the Durgama, and obviously you've got Shiva on the other side. The Durgama actually has only just been built, so actually one of the first people to actually see it. Shiva on the other hand has been here for a while. It's amazing. If we walk a bit down, I can show you how the Shiva looks. I think it's one of the main tourist attractions. A lot of people that come from other countries visiting Mauritius, they will actually specifically come here. To be honest, back in the days, my parents told me that this place was a sacred place, and a lot of people from Mauritius will come here on specific days. But I think it's become more of a tourist attraction rather than where someone will come to pray. I think it's just the privacy is not there anymore. For example, I'm bloody vlogging right here. So this is called Grand Basin. So if you translate that in English, it means the big basin. So I don't know why I went for that. But yeah, it's got a lake in there. It's very religious. It's got like loads of deities of gods. So yeah, it's pretty good. So this place has got a lot of monkeys here, or chimpanzees, unless you want to. I don't know what you want to call them. So to be sacred, of course, because one of the deities represents is a human being but looks like a monkey. Hence why we have to respect these monkeys. They are very cheeky. If we pray down there, we usually tend to bring blood. This is called Basin. Yeah, about the monkeys. So when people are doing the prayers, which we are doing right here, they're really cheeky and come nick the fruits. The fruits represents offering to God, food, and then long-lived prosperity. So yeah, monkeys come and be cheeky and taking fruits.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Bit of hiking. It's called the Black River Gorges National Park.
Oh, l'essence est finie? Station-service, c'est très loin depuis ici, hein? Ouais, c'est pour ça. Dans les domaines, il n'y a personne qui en a.
So we finally made it to the 7 colours of Earth. There you go. Actually does look mesmerising still. Let me get a zoomed up clip. Ebene forest, gonna go on a jeep, gonna do some trek. I opted for the one with no walking. Such a lazy cunt, So we're gonna go into a jeep, gonna trek the forest. Yeah, probably gonna be a VIP thing. It's the last coach, so I guess we're gonna be quite lucky to have a private tour. Merci. What's going on, guys? If you have a look at the view, up in Ebene forest, looking decent, it's looking good. These views are very impressive, man. All we had to do was just take a bus up here. Some people can hike it, but fuck that. I'd rather just get the bus and come up here. There's not many people, so that means that you can really take your time. You spend about 45 minutes here, it's decent.
In the sky.